Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Mitsubishi AC E9 error code. So guys, E9 means drain pump error or water leakage detection. So just simply turn off the unit. So just simply inspect the drain tray for standing water, and if it's full, there may be a clog or pump issue. Now you could just simply clear the drain pipe. You could use a wet, dry vacuum or long brush and flush with warm water if needed. And now you could inspect the drain pump as well. So if silent or buzzing, the pump may be faulty and need replacement. And now, lastly, if any of these doesn't work, just simply call a technician for this error to be fixed because a sensor or pump motor may need a service. There you go. See ya.